Hey there, everybody. Z here, coming to you live on both the Power of the Pearl and SEO channel. And in today's video, we're going to be doing how many links should you have on any given page. All right. And when I'm speaking about links, I mean links to external websites. What do I mean by external? It means not on the URL that you have. Okay. So Google has some guidelines for this, but it's kind of confusing. And there are some general rules you should follow when doing something like this in order to ensure that your website ranks or the page ranks specifically well, or that you are avoiding being tracked as spam if you have too many links. Okay. So, for example, if we take the Pearl Lemon main website, if we go up here to detailed and we go to links, you will see that there are a lot of links here, right? Uh, 477 links. That is not completely correct. A lot of these are incomplete or they are in reference to WordPress elements. So instead, what you're going to do is Google has a general rule when it comes to the amount of links that you have on your website. 100 links per page per 500 to 1,000 words. Okay, this is now specifically for external links, but for external links, I'm going to give you a different value between 3 and 5 per 500 or per 1,000 words of content on your page. This gives you a good balance between the um, total amount of words you have and the absolute strength of your links and the health of your website overall. So if you have, for example, like we have here, you'll see there's a lot of internal links, which is super important. But external links, you won't really find any here because we're not trying to link to anybody from this page, and there's nobody that we really want to link to from this page. Okay. In general, if your website is starting out, I highly recommend that you focus on your internal linking and ensure that everything is connected because with one of our clients, their website is quite new. And so all the links in their nav bar or the navigation menu up here are not being used as crawling. The pages are discovered, but they're not indexed because there's no internal linking on their homepage to those various pages. Something that we've argued with them about quite a bit, but client wants what the client wants, and we're in the process of fixing that now and getting that sorted out. So I'll reiterate, you want to have between five, 3 or 5 links, external links on your page for every 500 to 1,000 words. If you want to do the maths better, every 1,000 words that you have, you can place in 5 links. Okay? The number of internal links doesn't really matter, but you want to have the anchor text actually match up where it's going to go. It's not a major impact, but there is still a minor impact to it. Okay? This is going to be a super short video, guys. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you all tomorrow.